Hello students, in previous tutorial we saw how the TDS works. We got introduced to TDS. In this tutorial we will see how to create TDS masters. So the case is we would be creating TDS masters for the payment of professional fees, and we would be deducting TDS under section 194J, which is for professional fees payment. So let's create masters, TDS masters in Tally ERP 9. So first step is go to accounts info, then again to statutory info. We would be creating a TDS nature of payment for professional fees. So go and create, give the name as professional professional fees. Section is 194J. Rate is 10% on professional fees and exemption limit is 30,000. So this is how we created a TDS nature of payment. Next thing we would be doing, we would be creating a ledger, a expense ledger, that is again professional fees, professional fees under indirect expenses. Inventory value is affected, no. TDS applicable, yes, it is applicable. And nature of payment is professional fees, which we created just a minute before. Enter and accept it. Now another ledger we need to create is of a creditor. Creditor is CA Amol Moghe, to whom we are going to make the payment and deduct his TDS. So he will come under sundry creditor. Maintain balances bill by bill is a very important option. It should be kept yes. Is TDS deductible? Yes. Now we need to mention the deductee type. In this case, deductee type is individual resident. If uh, if it is a company or a partnership firm, then we would be selecting accordingly. This is very important because TDS percentages are different for different deductee types. So C. Amol Moge is an individual resident. Deduct TDS in same voucher, yes. I will be giving address in very short. Moving on to next, here it is very much important to mention the PAN number. Don't forget to do it, because if the PAN number is not mentioned, the TDS deduction would be done at 20%. So just enter and accept the screen. Now the last ledger we need to create is a TDS ledger. TDS, which would come under duties and taxes. TDS. Now this would be a common TDS ledger, so I would select any and just accept it. So this is how we created masters for TDS in Tally ERP 9. I would repeat again. First, I did created a TDS nature of payment for professional fees. Second, I created expense ledger for professional fees. Third, I created a creditor, for which I selected deductee type and then I gave the PAN number of the deductee. And last one, I created a TDS tax ledger. So this is how we create masters for TDS in Tally ERP 9. In next tutorial we will learn how to pass the transaction for TDS. Thank you very much for watching this video.